Haka shipau tarik naitung arhaja arpaulai, ka Sorkar Meghalaya bat ke Ntpc Limited, kalaya soy Jubanlak ne Memorandum of Understanding ban kentiu ke jingpen mi Bording haka jela. Laya soy ru ban penkran bantan Bording naka borjong kasngi, haka ni kasngi ke balong hanong ba New Delhi, lasak hilang umentri rang ba ukon rat ki sangma, umentri ketenat Bording u Abu Taher Mondal, u Gurdip Singh, u Chairman bat Managing Director ke Ntpc Limited, bat usan J Goyal CMD MECL. Ka Jubanlak ka kentop ya ka Power Portfolio Management Services for Meghalaya Discom, banbu ya ki pump storage power plants, bat ban pentri kam ya ka floating solar project ha Meghalaya.
So I'm sure that the same kind of urgency will be shown to execute this. Let me thank Honorable Chief Minister for
खाली होगा खाली तो नहीं है एटलीस्ट ये भी हाँ ये भी
Now I would request Director HR Ntpc to hand over.
एक हमारी तरफ से भी इंडिया
This time we were passing through a big crisis as far the power generation and so also distribution is concerned. Our consumers were subjected to a lot of inconveniences, and that's why Honorable Chief Minister was thinking that how to come over of this crisis, and accordingly we were discussing with Ntpc, who are having all experience, knowledge and infrastructure to give an associate with us to bail out of this situation, and today we signed the memorandum. We hope that this will go in a big way as far the power generation and distribution is concerned for the state.